And we've also seen beefing up of the SEC's litigation function. I don't think this was express in the press release announcing new enforcement lawyers to the crypto program. We're going to talk about that a little bit later in the panel. But my understanding is that there's going to be some dedicated litigators in the crypto space that the SEC is adding to its litigation function.
Yeah, the addition of about 20 people up to 50 total is a very significant addition of resources. Matt, you read the release like a hawk. It does mention trial counsel, and that is a significant development. I view that as significant. I'm sure in your prior experience you recognize the significance of that. And I agree that there are questions in the space that likely will litigate. So I think it wouldn't be surprising to anyone who's been following the cases that there will likely be litigated cases. And I think in our view, that's good.
So to me, what that all adds up to is it may not be so simple to apply traditional securities law principles to the crypto space. I think at some level the commission recognizes that, and I think that's why the commission is beefing up its litigation function. So I think that's an interesting development and one that probably presages additional litigation in the years to come in this space, because I think there still is quite a lot of unsettled issues to be resolved, and I think some of those are going to have to be resolved by judges, not by the SEC or other regulators. Great question, and this is again a hot issue worth paying attention to. The SEC is not going to draw its own lines with jurisdiction. Naturally, it's a regulator. It's going to assert the broadest possible jurisdiction. So that is something courts are going to have to do.
I think you're absolutely right. I think that there's going to be a tidal wave of judicial decisions that's going to shape, a lot of this area that we're going to be talking about for a long time.